Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Paula and today we are making a circle coaster. We are going to use a size 4 crochet hook, tapestry needle and the scissors. Leftover yarn. You start with the magic circle, chain 3, double crochet 11, 1, 2, 3, 10, 11. Then you do a standing double crochet. Then into the same stitch, double crochet, and double crochet 2 into each and every stitch until you finish round 2. Okay, so I'll show you how to do the invisible join. So this is where you have the standing double crochet. So you put your hook through the back like this on top of the standing double crochet. You pull the loop through the 2 strands, then you pull it a bit, and when you're twisting the yarn to make the standing double crochet, you hold on to this and you go into the same stitch, then you do your double crochet, then you go into your next stitch, you do 2 double crochet, into the next stitch, 1 double crochet. So in this round you are alternating between 2 double crochet into the same stitch and 1 double crochet in the other stitch. So 2 in here, and 1 in the next stitch. You continue doing this until you come to the end of round 3. So I'll meet you at the end of round 3. We're coming to the end of round 3. So 1 in there, and then we end with 2 double crochet in the last stitch there. So you do the same, you go on top of the standing double crochet, pull it a bit, and then you hold on to the yarn, twist it, you go into the same stitch and make your double crochet. In this round we start with the standing double crochet. We do another double crochet in the next stitch, then we do 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 in the same stitch, and then 1 in the next stitch, 1 in the next stitch, 2 in the next stitch, 1, 1, and then 2. So you continue doing this until you get to the end of round 4. So we're coming to the end of round 4. A double crochet in here, another double crochet in the next stitch, and then we end with 2 double crochet in the last stitch there. Okay, for round 5 we are going to do single crochet, but we're just going to join the round the same way. So you go into on top of the standing double crochet into this space here, go like this, and then you pull the loop. Round 5 is going to be single crochets, so you go in there and then you single crochet, go into the next stitch, single crochet. So you just single crochet all your way around. I'll meet you at the end of round 5. Okay, we're at the end of round 5. Okay, we're going to use our tapestry needle to have an invisible, to create an invisible join. So we just go in here, and then you go back into the stitch, and then you just weave it in. Okay, that's your circle. So you can end here, then you just sew your leaf and your stem in, and that will be it. But it will be very thin. So what you can do is you can add another round. So you have your 2 circles. These 2 loose ends in the middle, you don't have to weave them in, you can just tie them together like this. Just make a knot. after you've tied the two together in the middle, you do a surface stitch using a hook. I'm going to use the same hook, size 4, and I'm also going to use the same yarn color. Okay, you don't make a knot, you just take your yarn and so you just start anywhere. Okay, start with a loop, go into the next space there and do your surface stitch. Just pull this one a bit. Okay, and then you go into the next space here. Go into the next space here. So making sure that you are going into the same space at the back there on the circle in the back. So you go into this space and then you go into this space and then you pull through your yarn. Okay, you just repeat that until you finish the circle. So continue with your surface stitch and work your way back to where you started. You can use a different color if you want, but I'm using the same color here. So we are back where we started. Fasten off. So this is the back. So just weave this in. So this is our finished product. I've got another video where I make the leaf, so if you'd want to watch that, I'll put a link here. The video will show you how to do the leaf and the stem and how to join it to your circle coaster. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, comment. I will see you again soon. Thank you. Bye.